morning, you guys. I do not have the energy right now to speak, so let's go make an iced chai. So good. So good. If you haven't tried an iced chai, go try it. They literally have it at Starbucks, they have it at Dunkin', they have it, I think, just those two places. Or just make it at home like me. Do you see where I'm currently at? I'm literally so obsessed. I randomly came up with the idea, let me redo the office. And you guys know I'm like obsessed with redoing things, like my room. When I used to live back at my mom, I don't really change my room now because I feel like the room is perfect how it is. But the office I could do. So anyways, I woke up last morning. I went straight to the office because I recently got this iMac for Christmas from my husband, which I am obsessed, you guys. Like, he is literally the sweetest husband ever. He did not have to do that at all. But I've been mentioning that I've been really wanting to get it, so I've been like saving up my money, and he's just the sweetest. So I was like, let me try to redo the space. Here's a picture of what the office looked like before, if I can even find a picture. I literally never stayed in here, and I was like, I need a space, just a place that I can be working instead of being on the couch or living room or in my bed editing. Now that I have the iMac, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to decorate this place. So most of the things that you see in here I already have. Last night we went to IKEA, and I wish I vlogged it, but I was just like so excited to redo it, and I didn't even pick up the vlog camera, only realizing after that I should have vlogged all this. So you guys, I didn't really buy much. I'm gonna be buying more decor today, so you guys are gonna be coming along, but I want to do some sort of content on this. But yesterday we got carpet. We got these two frames in the back on the wall. I have to put pictures in it, so we're gonna go to Walgreens and we're gonna pick up the posters, the shelves from IKEA, and literally that's it. Like, everything else I already had. Like, this table I already had. I'm gonna show you guys in depth of what the office looks like later, but I need to get ready because Mal, come here. This little dog needs to get a haircut, and it's like an hour drive to go there, so I'm gonna like fast pace getting ready. Look at how freaking cute this pajama set is. Cotton On has like the best pajama sets, like so freaking cute. I'm literally doing my makeup through this tiny mirror. Can't really see much. Like, I don't even know if this is turning out good. Getting ready. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour because I have lots of time to do that right now. Okay, so first off, this is what it looks like. I had this table in my old room for getting ready. It's like a vanity table that I got from IKEA, and I've been really loving the wooden desk, but it's like so expensive, so I was like, I'm just gonna use what I have, and I think this turned out really perfect, and I'm saving money until like I can actually have a really big desk. These are fake flowers, by the way. They look so real. And then I just have a couple things here. I'm gonna do like a full office tour when it's fully done because I have some things coming in from Amazon a lot. But guys, this computer is literally a dream. Like, it's so nice. And then here's like a little space to put all of my pens and stuff like that, but I really need to organize it. It looks like a huge mess. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping that space. And then these two frames are from IKEA. I'm going to add the pictures in today. I had to have a mirror in here, so I just brought in the one from the kitchen, and this is just so cute. Here's a tip: if you're trying to make the room look bigger, get a mirror. I promise you it'll make your room look 10 times bigger. And from over there, I have this chair that I also got from the living room. This was also in our room, so I need to print out a new poster for the frame in our room because I bought it from IKEA, but the frame is from IKEA. And then this is the closet. I'm not even gonna go into it because it looks like a huge mess. We don't talk about that. So I'm finally able to hang my YouTube plaques, and I'm just so happy about it because I've had them sitting on a table and it just didn't look cute, and now I can finally have them up. And then I added this mirror here. This is where I was getting ready. I used to read this book. It's the Automatic Habits. I don't know. It's just a really good book that explained how you need to have places to work. So for example, if you're like just chilling and you just want to watch TV, you sit in the sofa. If you're working, you need to have an office for that. Like, do it in different places so that your brain is set and focused according to the space that you're in. I've had that stuck in my mind, and I just didn't like the office that we had before, and it just makes me 10 times more excited to like film videos, edit. I already get so tired of editing. I don't know. I'm just the type of person that cannot sit for 6 hours. Somehow I do it because I love you guys and I love filming, but this just makes me want to edit even more. Anyways, I just wanted to share that little tip for you guys if you guys didn't know. list looks like for today. First off, I need to go to Walgreens and pick the poster up because it's near my house. And then there's Mel's hair appointment, so I need to drop her off at 1 p.m. I want to go to Home Goods and look for decor, like around the house, and decor for the shelves in the office. A priority on the list, which should be first, is go grocery shopping because we literally have nothing. Christmas was like 3 days ago and we just went to my mom's house and we were just eating out. So we literally have nothing. We don't even have toilet paper, which is terrible. So we need to go do that, and we also need to get dishwasher paws, paper towel, just all the home necessities. There's construction going on in the back. It's so annoying because like they beep every time they pass our house because there's like a house being built right in front of our house. You know, it'll be super wet. Not even close to finishing building the house, so that's what sucks. You guys are gonna be hearing that a lot. But anyways, that's the list. Let's go get everything done today. Here's the outfit I'm wearing. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna wear. I usually wear like these slides, but hold on. Look at how freaking cute these Adidas are. My mom gifted it to me for Christmas and I'm just like so obsessed with it. Like so cute. I wore it yesterday. It's already getting super dirty, but I'm thinking maybe this matches. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna go with it because I think it's so adorable. The socks look a little crazy. I just dropped Mel off at a haircut place. She's gonna look so good. I really hope so. But while she's getting a haircut, sorry, the steering wheel is like in the way. While she's getting a haircut, we're gonna just run some errands. First off, I think Home Goods. I don't want to go grocery shopping and just like let it sit in the car. We're like close to my mom's house. We might go visit her. We just got McDonald's because we didn't eat at all. You guys, I just picked up the posters and I'm obsessed with this. Like a little floral. It's kind of hard to see in the car, but I'm so excited to put this up on the wall. Small haul to give to you guys. Okay, so first of all, I got these folders, organize like all my documents and stuff because I literally just put them in a drawer, which is not good. I could literally lose it. So I'm gonna like have it labeled and stuff like that. That's when it comes to organizing. Got this like wooden little pencil holder. I think that's what it is. So I'll have like all my pens and stuff in here. Guys, how cute is this little vase? It's like a flower vase. I'm obsessed with this blue little vase. Like I feel like this is gonna add so much color. Stuff that's pastel I love. Like I think it makes it really cute. And then like I said, posters, they look like this. And guys, I am so obsessed to put this up on the wall. I think it's gonna look so good. Like I said, it's gonna go right there. I also got this package, so we're gonna open it up together. I think it's the Lemmy Gummies. How cute this is. Obsessed. I'm gonna be taking this every day. I should definitely go check them out. Oh, hello.
Bro, the couch and then little seat, like a little stand right here with a cooler on it. Bro, it's like a man cave. It's like videos but man caves at the same time. And this is gonna be all black pad. It looks good though.
Guys, this is Caleb's office because we made separate offices since we both do different things. And I honestly love this wall. I forgot to mention that I got this little bed for Mel because I put the cords underneath the carpet and I don't really want it to show, so I kind of feel like it would hide it a little bit. But I also thought it was cute and I thought it literally matched perfect with the frame. I also got this cute little toy. Here's what the posters ended up looking like in the frames, and I'm honestly obsessed with it. I think it looks really cute and it definitely adds a little bit of girly in the room. Matches the flowers. Like I'm just so obsessed. Okay, so right now I'm currently gonna do like a quick little workout. My birthday is literally in like 4 or 3 days. By the time you're watching this, it's like 1 day till my birthday. And my goal this month was to like actually work out. And I've been so off track on the whole thing. Like I literally have been doing some little workouts here and there, but I'm not like committed. Like it doesn't look like I'm committed at all. So today I'm like really pushing myself. I don't want to do like a full workout, so I searched up if it's okay to like do Pilates at night. And it says it's like a great way to unwind and reconnect with your body. So I think that's gonna be like perfect. Just like set the mood before I go to bed. bed. I found this YouTube video that is kind of like a morning and evening Pilates workout, so that's what I'm gonna do really quickly. It's literally only 10 minutes. So this is your sign to just like go do it like right now. Shower, but I just want to talk about this perfume. It is literally so good. I have the lotion too, and I'm just like obsessed with Philosophy now. Like, I can't get enough of their perfumes and their lotions. It's the best. I'm literally looking into getting their body wash because it's just so good. Like, I want to smell all of that after the shower. But I definitely recommend getting this perfume if you're looking for a new perfume, because I was recently looking for it and I went to the mall and I came across this one. This is literally like the best. My top 10 perfume right now. Also, I got this perfume by Rosie Jane, and it is literally so good. I think the bottle is so cute and like simple, but this one, I don't even know how to explain the scent. It just smells so clean. Like, this is what a clean girl would smell like. So I definitely recommend this. They also have essential oils, which is so good. They're like collabed with Canopy. So if you have a diffuser, I definitely recommend getting into it and looking for their essential oils because they're so good. This is one of my favorite Christmas gifts as well. Like, guys, this literally heats up anything you want it to heat up. It is called a towel warmer, but I put my PJs in it and it's just so warm. Yeah, I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. I'll have it linked down below. Like, I literally don't even know how I would take showers without it, because when I get out of the shower, it's so freezing cold. Like, I don't know why, but when I lived at my mom's, it was always warm. I think it's because it's glass and it's very high up, so all of the heat traps in the shower, and when you get out, it's like freezing cold. This just made my life 10 times easier. Definitely recommend. Anyways, those are like my top 3 products. I'm so comfy right now. I'm gonna now get unready. I have like all of my little stuff here in the corner. All that's left to do for the rest of the night is clean. It's currently 9 p.m. My phone died. I feel like I always leave cleaning last minute. The kitchen is already cleaned. Like, after we ate dinner, me and Caleb cleaned together. Like, I just didn't vlog that, but I try to clean every night so that in the morning I can wake up to a clean house and I can like actually think. I don't know why, but when the house is in a mess, I feel like I can't think or do anything. Like, it makes me so lazy. Like, for example, if my bed is unmade, I literally just want to go back into bed, and that's literally what happens sometimes. So anyways, I try to clean every night, even if it's like the last thing on my list. Even after I showered, like, I'm going to clean. Okay, now let's clean the entire room together. It's looking like an entire mess.